Avocado oil benefits for skin. Avocado oil is great for cooking healthy, flavorful meals. But have you ever thought of using avocado oil to soothe and heal your skin? Avocados are excellent sources of antioxidants, essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that provide amazing benefits for your skin. Benefits of using avocado oil on skin. Many skin and hair care products use avocado oil. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory nutrients in avocado oil help to calm dry, itchy skin, heal rough, chapped skin, hydrate and moisturize dry skin, give skin a natural glow, increase collagen metabolism, act as a natural sunblock, and shield skin from ultraviolet radiation. However, you still need to wear sunscreen outside. How to use avocado oil on skin. The main benefits of avocado oil are to soothe and moisturize the skin. Avocado oil can be used every day, a few times a week, or whenever you need a little extra moisture on your elbows, knees, feet, and hands. Massage a liberal amount into skin after you bathe. Add a few drops to your favorite body lotion. Avocado oil also mixes well with coconut oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, shea butter, and vitamin E oil. Avocado oil is also safe to use on children and babies. Avocado oil is available online at the grocery store, health food store, and in the skincare section of your favorite store. Let's moisturize and hydrate. Please subscribe, like, and share.